Merry Christmas.
To try this recipe. I apologize for not having a video yesterday. I had to go out of town. So yeah, nothing got videoed. I didn't get in until around 10 o'clock last night. So to start off, I'm going to put 2 cups, which I'm doubling this. But so that's why it's 2 cups. But I'm going to put 2 cups of pecan halves on an ungreased cookie sheet. I'm going to roast these up in the oven, 350 for about 8 minutes before I chop them up. Alright, so I pulled them out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool down, and I'm going to put them in my Ninja and chop them up real fine. One thing too, when you're roasting these in the oven, make sure that you keep an eye on them because you don't want to burn them. I forgot to say that a while ago. Okay, so got the pecans chopped up. I'm going to put my flour, my sugar. I've got some ginger and allspice, vanilla, and I'm going to put my butter in here. And then I'm going to use my hands. Yes, my hands are clean. Yes, this is super messy, but this is how you get it done. So, doesn't take very long for it to start pulling together. So I'm going to get it all mixed together, then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Looky there. Didn't take long at all. This cookie dough smells delicious. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Let it chill down, and we'll be back. So I've rolled my cookie dough out. Now I'm going to take my cookie cutters and cut me out some cookies. Got some stars going on. Gonna have some snowmen. Anyway, back when that's done. Okay, I'm about to put the first pan in the oven. We're going to go in at 350 for about 15 minutes or just until they're set. You don't want them really browning a lot. So we'll pull them out, let them cool for 2 minutes, and then we will dust them in powdered sugar. Alright, first batch is out of the oven, so I'm going to let them cool for a couple of minutes. Then I will take it out and cover them in this powdered sugar. For the first coat, and I'll let them cool down completely and do it again. You want to handle these very careful. Look at that. Nice crispy bottom. Handle them very careful. When you first take them off the pan, and the first coating is just going to be very light until they cool. Then they should hold more powdered sugar when they cool. So we'll be back when we get these done. Okay, so we're going in for the second coat of powdered sugar. They've cooled down now. Look at that. They've coated up real nice. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great week. Like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you Friday.